Deadline thick, but my patience thin. Baby's crying, let the tantrum begin. Nappy bags and bottles, none up my sour. I'll hand the kid back with a crooked smile.
Don't leave your child with me, I'll teach you how to be me. Don't leave your child with me, I'm the uncle they don't see. Don't leave your child with me, all turn sweet to sour. I'm the bad influence in family tower.
Birthday parties, I stand in the back, pop the balloon with a fun cat. Pull the chair out, watch him hit the floor. Little Timmy won't come round no more. Make him cry, then blame it on the cap. That's just how your dear uncle acts. Rub my door. I'm the reason they leave. Hero, na-na. I'm the monster under the
Don't leave your
stairs.
child with me, I'll teach you how to be me. Don't leave your child with me, I'm the uncle they don't see. Don't leave your child with me, all turn sweet to sour. I'm the bad influence in family tower.
Bully, yeah, wear it loud. Made the kid eat broccoli in front of the crowd. Pinched his cheek till his face went red. Told him Santa's not real, go to bed. I love it, love it, love it. Ooh, rub my